Okay, everybody, welcome back to Josh Does Life. So for everybody that's been following my videos about this camera, you kind of know what's going on. I sent my camera into Canon for a warranty repair. So basically, the issue that I had with it is that every time I would try to record video in 4K, it would say that it's overheating. So, it's not overly important, but when you spend $800 on a camera, you kind of want everything working. So I decided to go ahead and I got online and I did the warranty claim or registration, whatever you want to call it. And they basically gave me a sheet to print out, the address to send it to, some instructions that were with it. Basically said to ship it to this address with your preferred carrier and make sure to insure it for the value of the camera. So I went to UPS store and basically to insure $800 and to send it to the address, it was roughly like $32. So it wasn't overly cheap to ship this thing out. They pay for the return shipping. So at least that was a plus, I guess. So anyway, I just got this back, and I guess let me see if I can get it so it's readable. But basically, this is from Canon, and it says, "Thank you for giving us the opportunity to be of service. Since repairs are not performed on the camera model you sent in for repair, we have shipped a new or factory refurbished product to you in exchange for your original unit. If you have sent accessories with your original project or product, please note that they have been returned in a separate package." So that's the nice letter that I got from Canon, which, I have no issues with that. That's fine. My only fear now is that, maybe I think this is going to be a new one because I don't see refurbished anywhere on the box. And I think they would have to list that if it was actually refurbished. So that's the little letter that came in the box with it. This is what I got back. So it basically looks like the original box that it came in. And of course I did send it in with both of my video cards with it and the battery. And I was just looking to see if it did say refurbished anywhere on it. And I don't see anything that says refurbished. So I'm assuming they sent me a new one. Now, I haven't opened this yet, so this is going to be opening it back up for the first time. Okay. Let's see what we have here. See what they've sent. I guess this is a new one. I mean, here's the warranty registration card, which I'm hoping that if it's a different serial number, I guess it is, that they've modified that. So there's our manual. I'm hoping they've modified that already so that I don't have to do anything or re-register this camera. All right. Let's see here. That's cool. I guess it is brand new. They sent me a new battery. There's the little hand strap for it. Nothing else in there. Charger and everything. So, I mean, I didn't send a charger in. So, I guess my only concern now is that if this is a new camera, and I have read tons of forums with people having the same issue that I am, I'm wondering if it is fixed in this new one, or, maybe they just grabbed a new one off the shelf and assumed that it's going to work for me. I don't know how that's going to be, and I'm not sure of the version of firmware that this new one is going to come with. But it does. I mean, I don't see any scratches or anything like that on it. I guess they sent me a new camera. Even though my old camera has not been used very long. But anyway, So this has come back in. I sent both the memory cards with it because it said send in any accessories that may be, included or a part of the issue. And I specified before that with either memory card, I had the same problem. So I just went ahead and sent those in. I didn't know if, they might want to test them or whatever. I wasn't sure how it would actually work. But apparently not. Apparently they just ship out a newer refurbished model, and then they're going to send me the memory cards and the battery separately. I'm not sure when I'll get those. This took basically a week to get back. I guess I sent in the beginning of last week. And today is Tuesday, so basically a week to get back. But I have the camera back. As soon as I get the memory cards back, I don't actually have an extra spare here right now to put in it and test, and I'm sure that battery's probably not charged, so I'll charge that up and I will test it, and we will see if the problem is resolved with the 4K issue. And I will do an update video next and let you know. Thank you so much for watching.